Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get ahead so easily, while others work just as hard and don't make it? That's the question at the heart of The Unfair Advantage. How You Already Have What It Takes to Succeed by Ashali and Hassan Kuba. Now, most of us grew up hearing that success is all about grinding it out, putting in the hours, hustling harder than everyone else. But what if I told you that's only part of the story? The real world isn't a level playing field. There are hidden factors, unfair advantages that tilt the odds. And the best part? Every single one of us already has at least one. So what's this book really about? At its core, The Unfair Advantage is an invitation to drop the myth of pure meritocracy and instead spot and use your unique edge. Ash and Hassan break this down with their MILES framework, 5 types of unfair advantage. Money, intelligence and insight, location and luck, education and expertise and status. Let's unpack these quickly. First up, money. Think about someone like Evan Spiegel, co-founder of Snapchat. He didn't just have big ideas, he had access to resources and networks most of us could only dream of. That's a serious head start. Next, intelligence and insight. The Collison brothers, Stripe's founders, were coding prodigies in their teens. Sure, they worked hard, but their natural talents gave them a huge leap. Then there's location and luck. Ever noticed how many tech giants come from Silicon Valley? Where you are and who you meet can make all the difference. But luck isn't just random. The more you put yourself out there, the more chances you give luck to find you. Education and expertise is pretty self-explanatory. Having a fancy degree or rare skills can open doors, but here's a twist. Today, you can learn almost anything for free online. Expertise is more accessible than ever. Lastly, status. Sometimes, just being known opens doors before you even knock. Elon Musk, for example, can start anything and the world pays attention. But status isn't only about fame, it's about confidence, credibility and self-belief. So why does all this matter? Well, it's easy to envy other people's advantages, but the real power comes from identifying your own. Maybe you didn't go to Harvard, but you've got street smarts, resilience, or a killer work ethic. Maybe you grew up with less money, which made you resourceful and creative. The big takeaway? Don't waste energy wishing for someone else's path. Instead, zoom in on your own strengths, your own unfair advantages, and double down. Success isn't about playing fair, it's about playing smart with the cards you've been dealt. So what's your unfair advantage? Take a moment, reflect, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Remember, you already have what it takes. It's just about seeing it clearly and using it wisely.